Hi and welcome. This video is about how to create an email sign-up form. Creating this form baffles almost everyone. For example, part of the process asks for a link to a confirmation page and another link to a success page. Since most of us do not know what a confirmation page is or what a success page is, we do not know what to do. So many of us do not create a sign-up form, which is a huge mistake. Or we use the standard option, still a mistake. Our autoresponder software will do most of the work, and all we need to do is to fill in a few details. As you are about to see, the details are easy once you understand them. What is a confirmation page? A confirmation page is the page you want to send your almost new subscribers after they give you their email address and hit the button that says submit or join or continue, etc. When I say almost a subscriber, I am referring to what is called double opt-in, which requires that your new almost subscriber confirms their email address and gives you permission to send them emails. I strongly suggest that you use the double opt-in method rather than a single opt-in. It helps to cover your backside should you ever incur a spam complaint, a place you do not want to be. In addition to adding a layer of protection, double opt-in also does you another big favor. It helps you to build a quality list with subscribers who are interested in what you have to offer, so your emails are more likely to get opened and get read. Your confirmation page should include a congrats, what they signed up for, confirm their email address, your contact information. Also recommended put this on your confirmation page or in a video. An introduction, introduce yourself and or your company or brand, a thank you, email sender name, who they will receive emails from, what they can expect to receive in your emails, whitelist instructions. A bonus, you can add a surprise bonus. It will help with getting more almost subs to confirm as well as improve open rates. Humor, what is whitelisting? Whitelisting is letting your new sub know how to get your emails into their inbox and not into their spam. You can find examples of whitelisting instructions using your search box. Be sure to spin the content or put the instructions into your own words to avoid duplicate content and copyright issues. Free PLR sites are a great source of bonuses, giveaways, and incentives. The above bonus is free from PLR database. Above is a partial snapshot of a success page. This is the page that your new subs will be sent to when they confirm their address. Success page ingredients should include an acknowledgement that they have successfully joined, become a member, subscribed, etc. Also, let your new subs know that another email has been sent which includes important details and or their gift, their membership, and so on. Send email number 1 with details, instructions, gift. Immediately after they confirm, on the success page, include sending them to spam if they do not see your next email in their inbox. Identify the sender again, include contact info, and whitelisting instructions again. All this may seem like overkill. It is not. It is important to give yourself every advantage, and since your emails are going to be loaded with valuable, helpful, and useful information, you are doing your new subs a favor as well. You can also add another surprise gift in email number 1, which means that you can mention it on your success page. For example, we are so excited that you joined us. We have included a surprise gift in your next email. It has already been delivered, so be sure to open it. Anything you or I can do or think of that might help improve our email results is worth trying. Once you create your confirmation and success pages, you can use them as templates for future pages, saving you time. Adding a URL to your autoresponder is easy. Above is a snapshot of an IOP email campaign. Mr. P has been a happy user for years. IOP is a complete marketing platform with everything you need along with an unlimited autoresponder, including training at the best price on the internet. All this email info will work with any autoresponder, free or paid. In the snapshot above, you have a place for your sign-up URL and your opt-in URL. Create and upload your confirmation and success pages. To upload with IOP, go to your IOP panel, and then File Manager and Public HTML. May I suggest you create a folder for page or pages, then click on that folder and upload. This helps with organization, finding things, and page loading speed. How to access a URL. If you are new, this is how to find a URL for your web pages. A URL is the online address for a web page. It is ultimately a path. The URL will begin with your website name. The path begins there. Next, if you add a folder named Pages, the next step along the path is Pages, which is /pages. The next step on the path in our example is the name of the page, such as Confirm or Success, which will be /confirm. Followed by .html, which is short for Hypertext Markup Language. Your website name including the .com.io. Then /pages/confirm, webit/pages/confirm.html. An easy trick to find your page name is to go to the page in your file manager, right-click on the page, and hit Rename. Do not rename, but simply copy the name and paste it with a / in front, and paste it after Pages. Website/pages/thank-you-page.html. One other piece of info that you will need for your campaign is an email address, which is a who this is from address. An address that is from your website has more perceived value than a Gmail address, for example. Setting up a website email address is easy and fast. Go to your panel. This time click on Email Accounts, and then click on Create. You will be taken to a page like the one above. Simply type in the name of the address you want, such as admin, sales, service, members, etc. Enter a new password, then hit Create. Your new email from address will be created, such as support at your website address. Name your campaign, fill in your from email address, and your sign-up URL, which is confirmation page, and your opt-in URL, your success page, and save. Congratulations! An email list is the backbone of any online endeavor, so congratulations! Take your time and follow the steps. The first time you do this may take a while, but that is okay. Learning it right and doing it right the first time will yield dividends later.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching and much success!